Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I already promised you in my previous videos that I'm going to show you how to download fonts and install fonts, different font styles for your design, for your graphics, and I'm going to show you in this video how to install fonts on your PC and how to download them. And mind you, I also have a link on the description of a fonts pack that I've already packaged for you. You can easily download the font pack. A link under the description. I will still drop links on where you can be able to download your own fonts. Now let's go. Let's take paraventure. Let's say you must have downloaded the fonts pack. In the description, this is what it looks like. And mind you, it's a zipped file. So you should have WinRAR on your system. I'll still drop the link to download WinRAR on the description. Hopefully Windows Explorer can be able to unzip it also. So first thing you do is to open your zip file. So after opening it, drag the folder to the location where you want it to be. I will extract it here. I'll extract it in the same folder it is. Now it has been extracted. This is the file. So let's open it up. So I classify the fonts into different folders, different font family. So now look, there are 4 font styles here. What you do is either you right click on each of them and click install, or highlight the whole font at the same time, right click, then click install. Because I already have this font styles in my system already, it asked me the Codeshot font is already installed. Do you want to replace it? I might say yes, I might say no. So typically installing, that's how it gets installed. So when you search this Codeshot, maybe in your Photoshop or in any of your applications, you see the font. Same thing goes to this other one. So you go gradually, step by step, each of the fonts folders, you install them one after the other. I think with this you should be able to install fonts. So in the description, I've already dropped links to where you can be able to download fonts and link to this free font pack that I provided to you already. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell button so that you can get notified on every time we drop a new video. Thank you very much. My name is